Hi everyone, Dr. J here with a review of this Columbia regular fit Omni Shield windbreaker rain jacket. We're looking now at the front, and I can say right away that this has really good zippers. It's hard for me to pull a zipper back up while I'm holding an iPhone, but the zippers really do go up and down very smoothly without trouble, and they have these little drawstrings on here too. Okay, and then here's a look at the interior. No real fancy lining, and there's no fleece or anything. This is simply a windbreaker or something to wear to put over your clothing just to stay dry. It's not going to be much for warmth or anything like that. Has nice Velcro adjustable cuffs that use Velcro. And meanwhile, I did post some still shots of me modeling this. I ordered the medium, and I did not yet use the cinch drawstring on the waist, but you can cinch it if you want to. It is there. And as you can see from the still shot, it hit at the waist. And what's very unique or very nice about this jacket is how it does have a hood, which is concealed under here with Velcro, and I did put a still shot picture of that as well. And let's see, there we go. That's about as true to the real life color navy as I can get in the lighting that I'm using. Let's see if I can get any better here. It's a nice navy. It looks probably more gray or black with my photos here, but there you have it. Very, very well stitched, very, very well made, and something to put on over your clothing to break the wind or to keep the rain from getting you soaked without getting overheated or too hot. That's what this would be for. There you go. I definitely recommend it.